All right, we're finally on to Java, and this is, yeah, the first ever assignment I did for this course. Not my first ever Java program. I'm going to do a video on uh, some of the programming I did before college, which isn't a lot, but still. But yeah, this is the first ever program that I made for my Java class, and I made it in Eclipse, but just in a retrospect, ever since I got introduced to like the JetBrains stuff, I've found that no, Eclipse doesn't really stack up. It's just not as good. And I just really like the UI better of IntelliJ. If you want extensions, I feel like it's a lot easier to get with IntelliJ, where Eclipse it's a bit clunky. And even just the slight difference of light mode versus dark mode as default. The only reason I say that is just because, in Eclipse, it's actually, I'd say it's kind of a pain to change to change your theme, where in this, the default one is one that you are probably not going to change in the first place. And also, we can do a bunch more stuff easier with, IntelliJ here. But anyway, just I guess that's kind of to beef up this video a little bit since it's going to be a very short one. And this to me it makes sense to talk about here just because this was an Eclipse at one point, just now an IntelliJ project. So see here, we did two different things. Basically, just introduction to escape characters. So I guess if you don't know, an escape character is just you have some that are, strings in Java are surrounded by quotes. So if you want to put a quote in there, you have to precede it with this slash. And then also, since the slash is a keyword, or not a keyword, but a special character, you have to do double slashes to do a normal slash. And then there's other stuff, so slash n, that's slash enter, and then in this case, the only other one here is slash t, which is a tab. And then I'll run both, but I'll talk about both first. So this one is just different data types. So you have, byte, short, int, long, float, char, boolean, and some doubles there. So these are all the basic data types. As you can see, there's no string here because string is not a primitive data type in Java. So let's just run these. Like I said, it's gonna be nothing special. I guess the only special thing is I see I made a little spelling mistake. I used two N's there. Uh, Obviously that's not meant to be an enter. That's just a little mistake that I made. But you can see there's this slash in there because the double slash, so it's a single slash. And come to think of it, I can't remember if this is a mistake or if that's how the sample was, and I was just, I saw the sample, I was like, that's clearly a mistake, but I still followed it anyway. I can't remember. But anyway, let's show the data types. That this is pretty simple. It just has just printing out the different data types. This is your introduction to programming is how it feels. So some very simple stuff here. And then I guess a little extra thing is the operation there. But yeah, not really too much to say on this one, and I'll see you next time.